Good morning, everyone. Myself, Ashu Sharma. I welcome you all in series of SQLite. So today we will see order by clause, the concept of that. And before starting with that operation, we have to set this path cd dot dot, and this path is setting for that given SQLite 3 application, SQLite that cd. Move to that address bar and just copy remaining that value. So once we just copy it from here and just control C and go to the prompt and just paste over here CD. Again we have to move to the same address bar and copy rest of the bar like that. So this is the way that we just set this part through that SQLite 3 application. Now SQLite 3 just 3.db like that. So this is that created. Now we will check this also, databases dot command. So this is the this test3.db, and it is also in that given database file in the directory path. So now move to that command prompt screen and now create table. Create table, and table name is employee, ID, int, primary key, not. This is the way that you just put this, and then name, text, not. Finally, address, not. This semicolon. This is the way. Now dot tables, employee table is appearing over here. Now you have to insert values. Insert into employee. Here we have these column fields: ID, name, address. This is the way that we have to insert this values. Suppose ID is 11, Ashu, and Jen. This is the way you just insert this. Then second one is suppose insert into employee, ID, name, address, values. Syntax is very important to remember. This is that require sort of practice over the time. Has to remember. Put semicolon. Now we just want to check this. Select start from employee. So these values have been appeared. So it means we have created successfully database, then create table of name employee, and insert these values through insert command. Now we have to use that clause. So in that clause, we have to be very careful that order by clause. The SQLite order by clause is used to sort the fetched data in ascending or descending order, that is based on one or more column. So for that we have to use, suppose select start, this is command, select star from, then the table name is employee, and order by suppose id, and then we have to take suppose first in descending order. So descending order, it means that TESC, that we use for that TESC, and put semicolon here. So see, now sequence as per the ID, it is in decreasing order. First it is 13, then 12, then 11. Now if we just put suppose ascending ASC, so let us see. Now it is in increasing. So it is very simple, that select a star from table name, order by that ID. So ascending or descending order, you may take it. So this is that the benefit of order by clause. Now the next that clause we have is the group by clause. The SQLite group by clause is used with select statement and to collaborate the same identical elements into groups. The group by clause is used with where clause in select statement and precedes the order by clause. So let us we have one of that syntax. We can check it. Let's suppose select suppose name, and come over here, then take sum of ID this way, from the table name, from table name is employee, and group by name. So group by, put this over here. So see now it's a sum, so 11, 12, 13, and this is that for ID, and Ashu, him, and number bar. This is for that given name. So name wise, you just select that record. This is a wonderful thing that we can say. Now there are some understandings about this clause, which is very important, about this order by clause and this group by clause. Then there is a concept of you can say that having clause. So having clause is basically used that to specify the conditions that filters which group results appears in the final result. So the where clause places conditions on the selected columns, whereas the having clause places conditions on the groups that created by group by clause. So where clause places the condition on the selected columns, and having clause places the condition on the groups that is created by group clause. So one is working for selected columns and one is working for that groups that is created by. So now there is a syntax that you can say that select a star, suppose from the table name, group by name, and then having the count where name is less than 2. So here we have a syntax, select star, suppose employee is the table name, group by name, and group by name having count, name less than 2. It means that in the table those names are appearing less than 2, those names will be filtered. So let's check. So here we have all these, only 3 values we have inserted over here, and each one of them is appearing only once. So it is giving that Ashu Jaipur 11, that in Delhi 12, Namrata Lucknow 13, like that. So it is appearing only one time. So this condition is true for less than 2, and this is the result. So if I just make some changes over here and greater than 2, what will happen? Nothing, because entry in the table is only once. So this is the way we may use order by clause, having clause, and basic operations into the database regarding creation of database, insertion of values into the created table. So thank you very much for being with me in this session. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you may get the notification of the latest uploaded video. Have a nice day. Thank you.